Hi, congratulations on your decision to start a career in real estate in Georgia. This video will show you how to redeem a coupon code towards an upcoming sales pre-license class. To get started, please visit capituslearning.com. From our homepage, please look under All Licensing for Sales Pre-License and then Upcoming Courses. On this webpage, you can view all of our upcoming courses. You can expand each class to learn more about the instructor or the scheduled meeting dates and times. Once you have made your decision, click Enroll Now, and you will be taken to our registration portal to complete the process. Please select Register, and on the next screen you will be able to enter the discount code provided to you from one of our broker partners. Your cart will be updated to reflect the discount, and you can click Register and Pay to continue the process. Once you complete your registration, you will receive an email confirmation. If you have any questions related to the discount or any other issue, please contact us during normal business hours via email, support@capituslearning.com, or by phone, 404-252-6768. We look forward to seeing you in class.